Templates for Avery shipping labels are built into many software programs. The Avery labels that work with most shipping programs have 2 labels per sheet, although some programs support other label sizes as well. It's important to use the type of label that is designed for your printer. Inkjet labels such as Avery 8126 for inkjet printers, or laser labels such as Avery 5126 for laser printers. The product number is at the top of the package, and the printer compatibility is shown here. Some programs have the option to print your label on half the sheet and include the packing slip or receipt on the other half. If you want to use this option, you can use Avery 5127 for laser printers or Avery 8127 for inkjet printers. Here's how to print Avery shipping labels with USPS Click and Ship. Click on the Preferences tab and scroll down to the Print Settings section. Click Edit, and then check the option to print labels without a receipt and click Save. When you've prepared your shipment, you will see confirmation that the Print Labels Without Receipt option is checked. Scroll down on the page to select the shipment you want to print a label for, and then click the Print Labels button. A PDF with the label will be created for you to print. For more information on the variety of shipping labels we offer, visit avery.com/shipping. If you need more help with your shipping program, please use the Detailed Help section inside the software, or contact them directly to get their most up-to-date solutions. For tips on how to get the best results when you print your Avery shipping labels, check out our other videos. Visit avery.com/help for more information or to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.